Today, I'm going to teach you how to show all products on your homepage in Shopify. This is a great way to showcase your entire product catalog right when visitors land on your site, making it easier for them to browse and discover what you're selling. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're there, log into your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your Shopify admin dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Now that you're on the homepage of your dashboard, look over to the left side panel. You'll see a menu with various options for managing your store. Click on Products and underneath that option, you'll see Collections. Go ahead and click on Collections. This is where you'll organize groups of products that you want to display together on different parts of your site. Once you're in the Collections area, look for the button that says Add Collection and click it. This opens up a new page where you can create a collection specifically for your homepage. The first thing you need to do here is give your collection a name. You might call it something like All Products or Homepage Collection, so you can easily identify it later. After naming your collection, scroll down to the Products section. Here, you'll see an option to browse. Click on Browse and a window will pop up showing all the products available in your store. Now, here's the important part. Select all the products you want to display on your homepage. You can do this by checking the boxes next to each product, or if your platform allows, select all at once. Once you've made your selections, click Add to include them in this collection. With all your products added, don't forget to click Save at the top or bottom of the page. This ensures that your new collection is stored and ready to be displayed on your site. Now, navigate back to the left side panel and click on Online Store. This section controls the visual appearance and layout of your Shopify site. You'll see your current theme listed here. Next to it, there should be a button that says Edit Theme or Customize. Click on Edit Theme to open up the theme editor. In the theme editor, you'll notice that the left side shows all the sections currently on your homepage. These are the building blocks of your site's layout. Look for a section called Featured Collection and click on it. This section is designed to showcase a specific collection of products prominently on your homepage. After clicking on Featured Collection, the right side of your screen will display the settings for that section. Here you'll see an option labeled Collection. Click on Select and a drop-down or pop-up will appear showing all the collections you've created. Find and click on the collection that we just created, the one with all your products. Finally, make sure to click Save in the upper right corner of the theme editor. This applies all the changes you've made and publishes your updated homepage with all your products now displayed in the Featured Collection section. And there you have it. Your Shopify homepage now showcases all your products in one place, making it easy for customers to see everything you offer. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.